Hey everyone, it's your boy Cade here. Today we are playing Generational Train, a great game. Today we're gonna be today we are going to be derailing some trains. So yeah, let's jump into it. So we're gonna go into this button. We're going. I'll just I'll go. I'll just do someone else's pre-made train. Of course, I don't have that much stuff here because I'm just starting out. I don't have a lot of money right now. Anyway, there we go. So yeah, let's. Oh my goodness. Alright, bye then, I guess. Anyway, yeah, we can do that too. It's all the speed stuff in Generational Train is free, so we can just do something like that, and something like that, and we're gonna go really fast. I actually, I actually want to make it around this corner. So just go nice and slowly. Um, anyway, yeah. Today we're gonna be derailing some trains and having fun. So let's derail this Montana tanker. This is gonna be really fun. Yeet! Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That's pretty good. Anyway, yeah, that's probably like 1 out of 3 derailments today. I'm not sure. Anyway, we're just gonna be doing select pre-made. Anyway, we're just gonna be doing pre-made trains today because, well, this is my first video on generational trains, and I want to make it hopefully fun. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Uh oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. No! Uh oh. Yeah, we just derailed, didn't we? Yep. You can see it back there. Oh wow. I actually can't see the derailment, but we're gonna respawn this one, so I'll catch up with you guys once I respawn it. Alright guys, I'm back. I've gotten this train spawned in. And yeah. The bad thing is I put this to like over 1,000, and I put the throttle power to 100, but I forgot to put the brake power to 100. So yeah, now if I do all of that, it should be much better now. Oh, I totally forgot. I also left you at 75. How about if I just put a couple of zeros behind that? What if I do that? Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. And I'm gonna turn down the volume. You guys can probably barely hear me. Anyway, yeah, here we go again. Ooh. Don't feel like I'm looking to make it around this corner. which I'm surprised I did there. Oh, I saw that back container car tip. Anyway, yeah, full throttle. Don't mind me going 400. Full brake. Alright, get off. Full brake, full brake. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna make it this time. But yeah, I am. Easy, I guess you could say. Alright, we've got a corner coming up. Gotta be cautious. And around this corner, I'm gonna go straight, not to turn. Oh my goodness, we're not gonna make it. Nah. Oh wow, that's a heck of a crash, isn't it? Um. Anyway, yeah. That's a heck of a crash. Oh. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, guys. I did say I wouldn't make a train here, but well, I made a train. This setup. Uh, yeah. Anyway, yeah. So now we're gonna be traveling down here. These two very cool engines. I like these. These are personally my favorite. Um, especially the NS locomotives. They're definitely one of my favorites. But yeah, I have a lot of other favorites in trains too and other stuff. So yeah, it's not really my first time. Put a couple more zeros behind that one there. We're going to be going fast. Anyway, this is really cool derailing spot I'm next to. It's down that line right there. It's the end of a city and there's a jump. So yeah, I'm gonna go down there. This is gonna be the last or the second last derailment for today, guys. Um, yeah, probably the second last. Um, anyway, here we go, guys. This special favorite. Yeet! Oh. Yeah. Anyway, I fell off the map. What the heck? I still got the controls for the train. Alright. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Um, make sure make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon. And I'll see you all in the next video.